After the air purifier in the last episode, let's explore air humidifiers today. Both air purifiers and air humidifiers promise to improve the indoor air we breathe, but each serves a distinct purpose. An air purifier works to clean the air of pollutants and allergens, while a humidifier adds moisture to the air to prevent dryness. But which one do you actually need? The answer depends on various factors, from your health conditions to the climate in which you live. This episode will help you navigate the decision-making process and determine which air humidifier would be most suitable for your home. This episode is a continuation of my previous episode, wherein I dealt with choosing the right air purifier that would suit your need. Link for the same is provided in the description box. Several models of air humidifiers stand out for their features and performance when considering budget-friendly air humidifiers available on Amazon. Aloha air humidifiers for room humidifier for home, bedroom, baby and plants. 7 color lights, quiet, 360-degree nozzle, auto shut-off. About this item, long-lasting humidification. With a 4-liter large water tank, it can humidify your room for up to 5 nights or 48 hours, so you don't have to refill frequently. 2-in-1 humidifier and diffuser. Double enjoyment. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oils to the water tank to create a fragrant home spa. Top-filled design. Remove the lid to pour water directly into the water tank. The wide opening makes it easy to fill and clean. 7 colorful lights. The soft 7-color lights create a romantic and relaxing atmosphere. The independent switch allows you to turn it on at any time. Whisper quiet. With less than 30 decibels operation noise, it won't disturb your sleep. It's perfect for light sleepers and babies in the bedroom. Simple knob and nozzle control. Use the knob to control mist output and the 360-degree nozzle to direct mist anywhere you like. Auto shut-off ensures your safety. When the humidifier runs out of water, it would stop producing mist. Price 2,374 rupees. Amazon link in the description box. Dr. Trust Luxury Cool Mist Room Humidifier for Adults and Baby Bedroom. 4.5 liters, model 907. Special features include an aroma diffuser, cool mist humidifier, and a 4.5 liter capacity. It's easy to refill and operates ultrasonically. About this item, utilizing ultrasonic technology, it uses high-frequency vibrations to create a cool mist that improves air quality. It kills harmful bacteria and adds a pleasant scent to your home air. Stylish and essential oil compatible. Its design complements any modern home decor. It functions as both a humidifier and an aroma diffuser, featuring an aroma nozzle to add essential oil into the water tank. The 4.5-liter water tank has an output capacity of up to 200 to 300 milliliters per hour, allowing 12 to 22 hours of continuous operation, depending on the chosen moisture output level. You can adjust the mist level by turning the knob, ensuring a humidified environment for up to 22 hours without frequent refilling. Ultra-quiet operation runs at up to 38 decibels, whispering quietly throughout the night. It also has water scarcity protection for safety and perfect sleep. Easy to operate and maintain, just turn the knob to control it. It uses a filter to prevent mold and should be cleaned thoroughly once a month. Compact and sophisticated in design, it features a premium quality PP housing with a sleek look. Its compact design makes it easy to hold and transport. Priced at 1,999 rupees. Amazon link is in the description box. ROSEKM Cool Mist Humidifier. This 2-liter humidifier is perfect for bedrooms and baby nurseries. It's small, quiet and ultrasonic with a 360-degree nozzle and auto shut-off feature. About this item, offering fast and powerful relief, it has a 200 milliliter per hour output, providing quick relief from congestion, coughing and dry skin. Ideal for bedrooms, a single refill lasts overnight. Just the right size, it's designed compactly to provide ideal coverage for all areas of your home, including bedrooms, offices, baby nurseries, and other medium-sized spaces. Customize your mist output to the ideal humidity level for comfort with one-touch control. The 360-degree nozzle can be adjusted to direct the mist where you desire. Priced at 2,069 rupees. Amazon link is in the description box. These humidifiers combine affordability with functionality. making them excellent choices for those seeking budget-friendly options. In the previous video, I dealt at length with air purifiers on similar parameters. The Amazon link for the previous episode on air purifier is provided in the description box. Breathe well, live well. Channel Health and Alerts is dedicated to keep you updated on health parameters. Reset health, reset life.